there, YouTubers! Professor Sheep here. Welcome to my first video of 2018. Now, coincidentally, it's not a science video. It is a clip show. This is a compilation of the best and the worst of the worst. We're going to explore my channels, according to YouTube, top 5 most popular videos on my channel. And then mixed in there, we'll explore the viewer's favorite, my cameraman's favorite, your least favorite, my cameraman's least favorite, my favorite, and least favorite. So, I did ask the viewers to leave a comment below my Newton's Third Law video. Nobody did, but I was in contact with one of my viewers, and he or she, will remain nameless, did tell me what their favorite and least favorite were. But, no harm, no foul. Let's first start off with number 5, my channel's 5th most popular video, and that is first vlog, last week of school. Fun time filming that one was. It has, as of December 28th, 2017, at around 12:30 at night, has 46 views, posted 7 months ago. Let's roll the footage. Last week of school. You excited? Yep. You don't look very excited. You look pretty dead, if you ask me.
I'm not.
You're not? Are you sure? Cause you're dead, man. You are like... Wasn't even a science video. But, moving on. Moving on to my 4th most popular video on my channel. Tennis ball launcher range test. Coincidentally, it's my 2nd video I've ever posted on my channel. It has 49 views, and was posted 7 months ago. Let's roll the footage. So for those of you that saw our last video where we went over this shed with this ball and thrower, this is a range test. Get over here. That was actually the entire video. Only 20 seconds. Fit perfectly into this clip show. Now, as we are kind of in an intermission here, so we're going to explore my cameraman's least favorite, your guys' least favorite, and we'll do my least favorite. And then we'll do all the favorites, and then we'll do number 1, with 3 and 2 mixed between those. So, my cameraman's least favorite video is Crazy Weather, episode 6, 10/14/17, 10/31/17. It has 11 views and was posted 3 months ago. Let's roll the footage. Whoa, it's really bad here. Holy cow. Like, this is the worst I've seen. It's getting worse as I'm getting closer to home. Oh wow. Oh wow. 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 This is... I've never... What? Look, you can't even see the car yet. There's a car coming. There it is. What? It's that video because it's very boring, and to be honest, I kind of regret filming it, but I needed a filler for a week, and I had a bunch of footage of fog. So I thought, hey, why not include it? Yeah. Regrets. But it's not my least favorite. Moving on to your guys' least favorite from that one person I asked. And your least favorite was DIY number 6, Pinhole Solar Eclipse Viewer. 36 views, and it was posted 4 months ago. Now, this was actually in the most popular I'm not, the person I was talking to didn't enjoy it because I was just poking holes in a box. But you know, that's a pinhole viewer, so let's roll the footage. The sunlight in perfectly. So, but, I mean, this is a pretty simple DIY. This is a pretty short DIY, but let's go see it in action. Alright guys, so we're outside, and I'm assuming you can see the hole, but right there in the center, there's a little white hole. I think you should be able to see it. I'll move it around a little bit. Maybe you'll notice. I bet you kind of actually enjoyed that one, considering it is one of my most viewed videos, but isn't in the top 5. Moving on to my least favorite. My least favorite is Crazy Aaron's Liquid Glass Thinking Putty. A review. Has 7 views, posted 5 months ago. Let's roll the footage. A review of Crazy Aaron's Liquid Thinking Glass Putty. So now, you may be thinking, oh gosh, there's no science. What happened to the science? Well, the truth is, the reason why this, I will do a whole video on this because this is something also known as a non-Newtonian fluid. Now I didn't like that video, considering because, again, it was a filler. It was one of the last videos was doing every other day. Yeah, I did do every other day in the summer. I didn't like it. I'm so glad I switched to Fridays. Yeah, it was the last every other day, and I was just using it as filler, and I'm rambling. So, moving on to YouTube, to my channel's 3rd most popular video. It is, can you see a new moon at night? With 51 views. It was posted 3 months ago. I actually kind of like this. This is actually, I'm pretty proud of this video. But let's roll the footage. I realized what I was told was impossible. And here's why. As you can see here, this is a poorly drawn diagram of the phases of the moon. And a new moon occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun. Now here is where things get interesting. Now, from what you can probably tell, you can see that I was reading something. That's actually what made this kind of a higher quality video. I shouldn't have been reading, I should have had it memorized, but I wasn't stuttering as bad as normal. Moving on to number 2. YouTube's my channel's 2nd most popular video. It is, coincidentally, also my first video I've ever posted. It is Tennis Ball Launcher! With a bunch of exclamation points. With 58 views, it was posted 7 months ago. Let's roll the entire clip, because it's only 20 seconds. This is the Over the Shed Challenge. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Did you enjoy that? Yeah, pretty quick one. My first video ever. Now let's do the favorites. My favorite video of all time is Exploring the Science of Diapers and Polymers, with 36 views, posted 2 months ago. It is currently number 6 or number 7, I believe, on my channel for most popular. And let's roll the footage. Which one has the water in it? This one? No water. Guess you were wrong. And that's how you can have some fun. What happened to the water? None of these have water in them. This one doesn't have water in it. What happened? I had a lot of fun filming that one. Got to trick one of my cameramen into thinking that, there was still water in those cups. Even though there still was, it was just locked up in polymers. Moving on to your favorite, the viewer's favorite, and my cameraman's favorite, which is the same one, coincidentally. And your favorite is the scale of the solar system, posted 3 months ago with 13 views. We put a lot of work into this one. Let's roll the footage. So this is Jupiter. And this green ball is Saturn, so let me try and compare here. Quite a little bit of a difference. And then from here we're gonna skip Uranus and Neptune. I'm gonna show you the rough size of them. Both are about this size. Neptune's the smaller one, but Uranus is about this size. myself again. This is one of my favorites. I have lots of my favorite videos, but this one we put a lot of work into, even though there's a lot of errors, as you saw with the numbers running across the screen, if you've actually seen it. Which reminds me, all of these videos will be in a playlist, best and worst of 2017, in a playlist. So I do recommend go check that out when you're done here. Link in the description below. Now moving on to my channel's most popular video according to YouTube. It is my first science video I've ever put on this channel. It is Mysterious Calcite Orb with 109 views, absolutely smashing to second place. And it was posted 7 months ago. Let's roll the footage. But this calcite, well, I'll let it speak for itself. So I'll hit the lights and it glows. It glows in the dark. The Slinky you probably can't see anymore, but there for a little bit it popped up. But this calcite glows in the dark. I mean, you can see how Now the video is 2 minutes long. I could have easily put it in the entire thing in this video, but I wasn't really going to subject you guys to that kind of torture, I guess. I really didn't know what kind of word to use. Maybe torture is the right word, but I wouldn't subject you guys to that, because you could go watch it and add to the view counter. Maybe we'll hit 200 this year in 2018. Who knows? Hopefully one of my own videos I filmed in 2018 will hit that number. It does remind me, though, this video is my channel trailer from here until about May or April, whatever my anniversary is, sort of, kind of, not really. Anyways, in the meantime, I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and share. New videos every Friday. Happy New Year, and good night. Oh, I didn't see you there. Well, if you want another random video, there's a whole playlist and link in the description below. And while you're there, hit subscribe. I hate these things. Got this one for free.